How do I fix a payment error on Uber?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue many Uber users encounter: payment errors. There are several reasons why you might experience these issues, and we'll discuss them as well as the solutions for each. Let's dive in and help you get back on track with your Uber rides.
Identifying the issue.
The first step is identifying what kind of payment error you're experiencing. Are you seeing a specific error message? Does it have to do with your payment method or your account? Is it happening during booking or at a later stage? By understanding the nature of the error, you're already one step closer to fixing it.
Common payment errors.
There are several common payment errors that Uber users might encounter. 1. Incorrect payment details. You might have entered your payment details incorrectly, or your details might have changed since you last updated them. 2. Insufficient funds. There may not be enough funds in your account to cover the cost of the ride. 3. Expired payment method. The payment method you're using, like a credit card, may have expired.
Solutions to common payment errors.
Once you've identified your error, here's how you can fix them. 1. Updating payment details. Go to the Payment section in your Uber app, select the problematic payment method, and update the information as necessary. 2. Ensuring sufficient funds. Check your account balance and ensure that you have enough funds to cover the cost of the ride. If not, deposit funds into your account or use another payment method. 3. Updating expired payment method. If your card is expired, you'll need to add a new payment method. Go to the Payment section in your Uber app and follow the prompts to add a new card or other payment method.
Contacting Uber support.
If you've tried all of the above solutions and still can't fix the payment error, it might be time to contact Uber support. You can reach out to them directly through the app. Simply go to the Help section, navigate to Your Trips, and then select the trip with the payment issue. There, you will see an option to report a problem with this trip. Follow the instructions provided, and Uber support should be in touch to help you resolve the issue. Payment errors can be a nuisance, but with a bit of troubleshooting, you can resolve them quickly and get back to your Uber rides in no time. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.